Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video, I am going to solve the problem based on Hilbert transformation. So the problem is from GATE 2021 Geophysics. So the question is, which of the given figure is the Hilbert transform of the Dirac delta function? So here we have to find out the Hilbert transformation of Dirac delta function. First we will understand what is Dirac delta function. So Dirac delta function is denoted by del x and is defined by 0 at x is not equal to 0, if x is not equal to 0, and infinite if x is equal to 0. So from the definition it is clear that del x is an infinitely high narrow spike with area 1. So in the figure you can see, here you can see this is the spike, infinitely high spike having area 1. So you can write integral over minus infinity to infinity del x dx is equals to 1. So the area under the curve is 1 from the range minus infinity to infinity. Technically in mathematical, so del x is not a function at all, since its value is not finite at x is equals to 0. So we can say the del x is not a function. In mathematical definition, it is known as generalized function or distribution. Now moving towards the Hilbert transformation. So if we consider ft is a function and it's we have to find the Hilbert transformation of ft. So Hilbert transformation of ft is denoted by ft cap, or Hilbert transformation of ft. This is any function and this is Hilbert transformation of ft, and the Hilbert transformation of ft is defined as ft cap or h of ft, which is equals to 1 over pi integral over minus infinity to infinity f of tau t minus tau d tau. So this is the definition of mathematical definition of Hilbert transformation of any function ft, where ft will be real. Similarly, the inverse Hilbert transformation will be inverse that is h inverse of denoted by h inverse of ft and defined by h inverse of ft equals to this is just minus of 1 over pi minus infinity to infinity f of tau t minus tau d tau. So this is equation 1, this is Hilbert transformation, this is equation number 2, this is inverse Hilbert transformation. So from equation 1, Hilbert transformation we can write in terms of convolution. So ft cap will be equals to h of ft, which is equals to convolution between ft in and 1 over pi t. So in terms of convolution you can write this definition. So this is equation number 3. Now moving towards our problem, so we have to find out the here Hilbert transformation of Dirac delta function. So this equation 1 gives h of ft is equals to minus infinitive to infinitive 1 over pi t minus tau del tau d tau. So this is the expression for the Hilbert transformation of Dirac delta function. So from the impulse operation, this expression, that is this impulse, exists at tau equals to 0. The above integration or impulse exists from the impulse operation at tau is equals to 0. So the above expression will gives 1 over pi t. So this is the expression for the, this is the result for the Hilbert transformation of Dirac delta function. But in question it is given that which is minus of 1 over pi t. So now we have to find out the plotting of minus 1 over pi t. So if we plot 1 over pi t, we will get this type of curve, and this is the point, this is the value of t, and this is the value of minus over 1 over pi t, and the plotting will look like this. So the answer will be option figure 1, that is option 2 will be correct. Option 2 will be correct. Now other example of Hilbert transformation is find the Hilbert transformation of sine omega naught t. So simply Hilbert transformation gives the 90-degree phase shift. As you know, the Hilbert transformation gives the 90-degree phase shift. So h of sine omega naught t will be sine of omega naught t minus pi by 2, or sine of, take minus common, omega naught t, if we take pi by minus common pi, so this will be my pi by 2 minus omega naught t. As you know, sine of minus theta will give minus of sine theta. So this expression will give sine of pi by 2 minus omega t. Again, by the trigonometrical identity, sine of 90 minus, that is pi by 2 minus theta, will give cos theta. So this will become minus of cos omega naught t. So the Hilbert transformation of sine omega naught t will be minus of cos omega t. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you once again.